Welcome to House Lux Estate, your one-stop channel for business insights and strategies. A hub where we delve deep into the world of small businesses, exploring strategies, sharing insights, and shedding light on the tools that can propel your business to new heights. From marketing tactics to financial management, we cover it all. Today, we're stepping into the future, a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, but a tangible tool that can transform your customer support. Imagine a world where your customer support is prompt, personalized, and proactive. Sounds enticing, right? That's the power of AI. In this video, we will walk you through how to use AI to improve your small business's customer support. We'll explore the different ways AI can revolutionize your customer support, from automating responses to predicting customer behavior. So, buckle up and prepare for a journey into the future of customer support. Stay tuned to learn how to leverage AI to elevate your customer support. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing customer support in significant ways. But before we delve into how, let's take a moment to understand what AI is. Basically, AI is a branch of computer science that employs algorithms and models to mimic human intelligence. It's all about creating smart machines capable of thinking, learning, and problem-solving like US humans. Now, when we talk about AI in customer support, we're mainly referring to chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated responses. These are not just cold, impersonal machines. They're smart, intuitive, and capable of understanding and responding to customer queries in real time. Just imagine this. It's 3 in the morning and a customer has a query about your product. In a traditional customer support scenario, the customer would have to wait until business hours to get a response. But with AI, they can get an instant response, regardless of the time or day. This 24/7 availability is one of the significant benefits of AI in customer support. But that's not all. AI also brings consistency to customer support. Humans are prone to errors, mood swings, and fatigue. But an AI-powered chatbot will always give the same high-quality responses, irrespective of how many queries it has handled or how long it has been working. Moreover, AI can handle multiple queries simultaneously, a feat no human can achieve. This means shorter wait times and more satisfied customers. Plus, AI can also learn and improve over time. It can analyze past interactions to provide more accurate and personalized responses in the future. And let's not forget cost effectiveness. Implementing AI in customer support can significantly reduce operational costs. No need for a large team working round the clock. Just a well-programmed AI can handle most of the routine queries, freeing up your human staff to handle more complex issues. So, how can you implement AI in your customer support? Let's dive into that. The first step towards integrating AI in customer support is identifying your needs. This means taking a close, introspective look at your business operations and customer service processes. Before you can even think about AI, it's essential to understand the specific needs of your business, and more importantly, your customers. Are you inundated with simple, repetitive inquiries? Or perhaps you're struggling to keep up with high volumes of customer contact. Identifying these pain points will help you understand where AI can be most beneficial. For instance, AI can streamline your customer service by automating responses to frequently asked questions, freeing up your team to handle more complex issues. Or, if dealing with high volumes is your challenge, AI can assist by handling multiple customer interactions simultaneously, improving efficiency and response times. Knowing your needs is not just the first step, but the most critical step. It lays the groundwork for a successful AI integration. Once you have identified your needs, you are ready for the next step. Choosing the right AI tools is crucial for effective implementation. Now, let's delve into the ocean of AI tools available for customer support. Each tool comes with its unique set of features, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Firstly, we have chatbots. These are AI-powered virtual assistants that can interact with customers in real time. They can handle simple inquiries, freeing up your human agents for more complex tasks. They're like having an additional team member who never sleeps. Next, we have AI-powered ticketing systems. These tools can automate the process of assigning and tracking customer inquiries. They can also prioritize tickets based on urgency, ensuring that critical issues are handled promptly. Then there's sentiment analysis software. This tool uses AI to analyze customer feedback and identify their emotions. It can help you understand how customers feel about your products or services, giving you insights into areas that may need improvement. Another tool to consider is AI-powered analytics. These tools can identify patterns and trends in your customer data, providing valuable insights that can help you make strategic decisions. Now, how do you choose the right tool for your business? It all comes down to your needs. If your business receives a high volume of simple inquiries, a chatbot might be ideal. If you struggle with managing customer tickets, an AI-powered ticketing system could be the solution. If you want to understand your customers better, sentiment analysis software or AI-powered analytics might be the way to go. Keep in mind, it's not always about choosing the most advanced tool. It's about choosing the tool that fits your business needs and can seamlessly integrate with your existing systems. Remember, the goal is to enhance your customer support, not to add unnecessary complexity. So take your time, do your research, and make an informed decision. With the right AI tool, you are set to transform your customer support. Training your AI is a critical step in the implementation process. This isn't some arcane ritual or a complex calculus problem. It's more akin to teaching a young child. And just like with a child, the more quality time and attention you invest in your AI, the better it'll perform. You kick things off by feeding your AI data. The more, the better. This data acts as the foundation for your AI's learning. It's akin to reading a child a vast array of stories, each one contributing to their understanding of language, narrative, and the world. For AI, this could be historical customer interactions, common queries, responses, and more. It's this data that helps your AI understand the context and content of customer support. Then comes machine learning. This is where your AI starts to connect the dots. It begins to understand patterns and correlations in the data. It starts to predict outcomes based on inputs. It's like when a child starts to understand that A is for apple, B is for ball, and so on. This is the stage where your AI begins to recognize customer queries and the appropriate responses. But we're not done yet. Just like you wouldn't send a child to a spelling bee after learning the alphabet, you wouldn't deploy your AI after the machine learning stage. It's time for testing. This is where you throw a variety of scenarios at your AI and see how it responds. You tweak, adjust, and fine-tune based on these responses. Don't think of this as a one-and-done process. Training your AI is a continuous journey. The world of customer support is dynamic. New issues crop up, old issues evolve, and customer expectations shift. To keep up, your AI needs to be in a constant state of learning and adaptation. In essence, training your AI is about creating a continuously improving support representative. One that's always learning, always adapting, and always striving to provide the best possible support for your customers. With a well-trained AI, you are ready to offer superior customer support. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We began our journey by understanding the role of artificial intelligence in customer support. It's not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize how small businesses interact with their customers, making support more efficient, personalized, and available round the clock. We then moved on to identifying your needs. Remember, the secret to a successful AI implementation lies in understanding your unique business needs and customer expectations. It's about finding the sweet spot between what your customers want and what your business can deliver. Choosing the right AI tools was our next point of discussion. There's a vast sea of AI tools out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Your mission is to find the one that best fits your needs. Whether it's chatbots for instant customer responses, sentiment analysis tools for gauging customer emotions, or predictive analytics for anticipating customer needs. The choice is yours. Training your AI was our final step. This is where the magic really happens. Feeding your AI with the right data and constantly refining its learning process is crucial to its effectiveness. Remember, a well-trained AI is like a well-oiled machine. It runs smoothly and delivers results. Now, why should you bother with all this? Because AI in customer support is not just about staying ahead of the curve. It's about enhancing your customer experience, boosting your team's productivity, and ultimately driving your business growth. So, are you ready to embrace the future of customer support? Are you ready to let AI transform your small business? We hope this guide has given you the confidence and the knowledge to take that first step. Thank you for joining us on HouseLux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more business insights and strategies.